This is LeetCode question number 905, sort array by parity. This is easy question. Let's get into it. Given an array A, non-negative integer, return an array consisting of all the even element of A, followed by all the odd element of A. You may return any answer array that satisfies this condition. Okay, let's check with example 1. Input is 1 to 4. So in this case, odd number is to 4, so it will go into front, and then others. Even number is to 4, then it will go into first, and then odd number 1 is going to last. And then 4 to swap is okay because both of them is even number. Okay, how we can solve this question? I'm gonna use two-pointer techniques. So first I will locate the left and then right. So if the left is odd number, I will swap left to right like this, and then I will decrease right, and then compare with the left with the right and swap. But in this case, this is 4, no need to swap, so this one is increase and then swap, and then when they meet left and right, I will finish. Okay, let's implement it. So left is the 0, right is the end of last index is len A minus 1. Okay, let's iterate. Left is smaller than right, and then if a left is odd number is remind 2 is 1. This is odd number, right? In this case, I will swap A left, A right, A right with A left, and then I will decrease right index, right pointer, else I will increase left pointer, then return A. Let's check. Okay, looks good. Submit. Okay, good. In this case, time complexity is it need one iteration, so it take linear time with constant space because I did not use any extra data structure. Thank you.